15 years ago.
So, you grew up here?
I was born here. I grew up in boarding school.
Was it always like this?
No, it wasn't. I got a lot of happy memories of this place.
Wish I could say the same.
So how was he able to get permission to live out?
Welcome home, James.
How'd you know we were here? Huh. That's new.
Not that new.
Dad, we need your help.
I'm all done helping you.
Look, this time I'm not running from the cog.
Del, you in this too?
Waist deep.
You were supposed to keep him out of trouble.
Now, you know that's not possible.
I'd introduce myself, but you'll be leaving soon.
JD, show him.
Show me what?
Our village was attacked.
And my mother was taken.
Taken?
Along with all our friends.
Dad, you should look at this.
No, you look. I warned you not to join the cog. What did you do?
Dad.
I told you, don't go outsider. The cog will hunt you down. Again, what did you do?
Just shut up and look!
Guys?
Thought you said you weren't running from the cog.
Yeah, that wasn't completely accurate.
God damn it, James!
Lieutenant, time to finish our earlier conversation.
Jin, listen, you have no idea what's actually happening here.
Oh, but I do. Sedition, led by one James Dominic Phoenix, the son of a famously disgruntled old gear. Speaking of which, Sergeant, how are you? Sorry about the door.
Don't sweat it. We were just leaving.
So we're clear, Sergeant. If you choose to aid these fugitives, I can't protect you.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Son of a...
Holy!
All units, fire at will!
Main house, go!
Nice to see you still have a way with people, Marcus.
Just head for the back door. Guess we're dealing with this first.
Sniper up high!
Shepard ready to assist. 88. Final contact required.
Watch it! Revive me!
Shepard ready to assist.
I'm not gonna quit!
Unlawful citizen spotted.
Sweet!
are Chin's new toys.
Yeah, we've been playing with them all day.
Come on, follow me upstairs.
Wait, what's upstairs?
Family heirlooms.
Take that. Ooh, mine.
Are you coming or not?
Begin detainment.
Dad, they're inside!
So let's clean house.
Possible hostile contact. Commencing reload.
God damn it, more of them!
Hostile contact acquired. Engage.
Keep me down!
More of them up here!
Sniper! Take cover!
Hostile target spotted. Commencing reload. Assaulting.
That's fine. Done.
Surrender and prepare for detainment. Potential hostile target spotted. Engage and suppress.
I hate these damn things!
Come on, this way.
I'll take that.
Get over here. I'm not getting any younger. You said you wanted my help. Then how about doing what I say?
Yeah, now these are my kind of family heirlooms.
You kept our armor.
I knew you'd be back. Probably with your ass on fire. Let me get that.
Kind of feels like I'm wearing a door.
Good. It's supposed to. Didn't get your name.
Kate.
Well, take good care of that armor, Kate.
It belonged to my mother.
Oh, what's that?
Just calling in a favor.
Speaking of favors, you probably want this back.
Thanks, Del. All right. Time to introduce the new cog to the old cog. And clear these bucketheads out of my house. Grab what you need. Should be enough to go around.
Good. Ammo. Mine now. Oh, look what I found.
Take him out!
Hostile contact acquired.
Another dead bot!
Suppression mode initiated.
Another dead ship! Dad, what's the plan here?
Gotta get to my truck.
Trust me, it won't get away so easy this time.
God damn it! I just tuned it up! All right, new plan. Take out that Kestrel. Take it easy on the house!
Take out his engines!
Hey, she's pulling out!
Is that it? She done?
I don't think so.
More drop pods!
Help us.
Are you kidding me?
Another ship destroyed!
Retreating.
I'm down!
Be right there.
One dead TV!
Reload initiated. Commence detainment.
That's how it's done!
Kestrel's back! Take cover!
You have nowhere left to run.
Where the hell is she going?
Stop wrecking my goddamn house!
Rockets!
Your persistence is as passive as it is infuriating.
Yeah! You almost got her!
God damn it.
More rockets incoming!
Gotcha! Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Well... So, Dad, the cog is still after us, your truck just blew up, and the house is on fire. Is there a plan B?
Yeah, there's a plan B, but it's down in the cellar. Grab some ammo and let's get out of here. Check the armory and take what you need.
Citizens, you are in an illegal area.
Guys? What the hell is an illegal area?
Activated.
Come on, downstairs.
Cease and desist immediately.
Clear him out. We gotta get to the cellar.
Another dead TV!
Suppression mode activated.
Guys, this place is coming down.
Downstairs, go! Get to the cellar!
Oh, that was close.
Dad, what are we doing? This is a dead end.
Not anymore.
Build an escape tunnel out of your own house.
Just follow me.
Why the hell did you build this?
For emergencies, I'd say this counts.
Yeah, well, you could have finally fixed up the outside instead.
A lot of good that would have done now.
Guys, stop it. How about we talk about, well, I don't know, the monsters that just ran off with all our friends?
As soon as we get out of here, we'll deal with that. Now, come on. With any luck, Jin will think we didn't make it out of the house.
He's still gonna sweep the property.
Then we'll handle it.
Holy sh...
As I said, welcome home. All right, looks like we lost him. Let's cut through the garden.
Definitely didn't lose him. Condor incoming!
Firing. Reloading. Hostile contact spotted.
Done. That's it out.
Guardian coming in!
Defiance not advised. Defiance noted. Footage of your defiance has been logged and uploaded.
Shut up!
Antisocial behavior will not be tolerated.
I got you,